JB Toy Balloons and Party Needs, and Don Bosco. We would also like to recognize the Barangay San Lorenzo Business Association League headed by Miss Annie Tanchanco and the Barangay San Lorenzo.
Kaya hindi lang ako mag-isa eh. Ayun, yun lang. Ito, percussion. Have you tried handpan? Ito?
Asan si Sean Denver? Sean Denver. Sean Denver.
Ano na? Bunch of flags.
Sino si Miss Rosalie Walael? Miss Cynthia Sutara. John Rafael Javier.
Price na lang kulang kung ano. Nice. Price na lang kulang na ito.